Ever faced an unexpected expense that made your heart skip a beat? Imagine having a safety net that catches you every time. That's what an emergency fund is all about. So how do you build one that is bulletproof? Well, it starts with understanding your specific needs. Typically, you should aim for 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses, but let's tailor it so that it fits your life. Are you in a 2-month income household? Perhaps 3 months will suffice. Next step is automate your savings. Set up a direct deposit from your paycheck straight into an emergency fund account. This makes saving consistent and effortless. Every little bit adds up. Starting from scratch, begin small. Even $5 a week builds up over time. Remember, the goal is progress, not perfection. The best time to start was yesterday. The next best time is today. Still feeling a little bit unsure about kicking it off your emergency fund? Hit follow for more foundational financial strategies. Got questions or needs a little bit of a push to get started? I'm here to help. Share your thoughts down below in the comments or just shoot me a DM.